Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Polygon Matic. We're going to be talking about what's happening with the price of Polygon Matic, where we could be going in the immediate short term. So let's get right into it. If you guys like these kind of updates, guys, you guys already know what to do. Do not forget to like that video, come join the Crypto ZX army, and now let's get right into it. Looking at the price of Polygon Matic, it is currently trading at $1.17, up 1.1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up about 1.2% in Bitcoin and ETH comparative over the last 24 hours. And if we're looking at the market cap of Matic, it is approaching that $11 billion slowly but surely. And the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at 347.5 million. So right off the bat, guys, the overall buying pressure for Polygon isn't as high as we'd expect right now, but that is nothing to worry about. That is organic and that will go up as time goes by. But if we're looking at the weekly time frame, you guys can see it's up about 5.7%, and I'm really going to share something very interesting with you guys and why I believe Matic's move is very, very near. If you guys like these kind of updates, as I've always said, do not forget to like and come join the Crypto ZX army. And as always, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So I know you guys are looking at the title right now. First and foremost, you guys are looking at the title and you guys are wondering, is this guy really meaning this or is he just messing around? And the title states, Polygon Matic whale is going to be buying me a Lamborghini if Matic hits double digits next bull cycle. And is that true? Is that true? Hint, hint. Possibly? Question mark, question mark. It possibly could be. But I know one of the biggest whales of Matic, and this whale, he's a good friend of mine, and I've been, friends with this guy. Obviously, never going to disclose any information. This guy over here, he bought Polygon Matic along with myself. We both were purchasing Matic when it was literally below a penny, and you guys would be like, that's absolutely insane. Yes. So back in the Binance IEO launchpad, guess what we were doing? Picking up Matic. And then, boom, once came a time where there was a hack or some sort of manipulation that took Matic once again back down. And that's where no one, I've shared the story with you guys before, but that's where, and the reason as to, going back a little bit, the reason as to why I'm sharing this again is because, it kind of gives a better understanding to newcomers that are coming into the space. And there's a lot of newcomers coming into this market right now. So anyways, going back to what I was saying. So, we were picking up Polygon Matic, and specifically this whale that I'm talking about believed in the project so much when absolutely no one wanted to touch it when that manipulation occurred. He was the one picking it up like crazy. And he deserves all the wealth that he has accumulated, made over the past, 3 to 4 years. And this is absolutely crazy. He changed his life in about 3 to 4 years. And, he deserves all the gains that he's making. Absolutely humble dude. But this should show. The reason as to why I share these stories is because life-changing gains can be absolutely made within this market. It definitely can be. But, it's not just going to happen right off the bat. It's not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen over the next month. It's not going to happen over the next 12 months. Patience is your number one key to follow. If you really, really, truly believe in a project's vision and you have dollar cost averaged in and invested what you can afford to lose, then just let the patience do its thing. And when the markets really do turn around, things get insane. And that's what happened for him specifically. And me ended up selling my Polygon Matic way too early last year. I did not hold. I sold most of mine around the dollar range, but it went all the way up to that $3 range. But, if I held my original holding stack, I would have been driving Lamborghinis. But anyways, you win some, you lose some, but I'm definitely happy that I did take profits. I was one of the early investors of Polygon Matic. But the reason, let's get the entire story out of the way. So the Lambo thing, I was talking to my buddy over the past, few days we were talking. I was like, hey man, Polygon Matic hits double digits. You owe me a Lambo. You're going to buy me a Lambo. It's just like a joke inside, but who knows? Who knows? I know you're watching, so if it does, you can give me a Lamborghini. But anyways, and I would not be surprised if he actually does. He's a massive whale, so for a Lamborghini for him would be absolutely nothing. And he's a true friend of mine. And yeah, let's get that out of the way. That's a long story, but I wanted to share that with you guys to kind of clear up what I mean. It's no clickbait. That could potentially happen. But now if we're looking at the price of Matic right now, beautiful, absolutely beautiful, consolidating exactly where we want the price to be consolidating. It's back into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, and we could potentially pop out of here. And obviously, as I've mentioned earlier in the video, we do need a little bit more buying pressure coming in for Matic right now, but that is totally normal. We will get there. BTC dominance obviously is pulling down, causing a lot of altcoins to kind of start showing those bullish momentum within its price across the altcoin market. ETH absolutely went crazy, so we're expecting that to occur as BTC starts trading sideways and BTC dominance continues to pull down. We could see a lot of altcoins exploding, and Polygon Matic is expected to do so. Last time we were above this level of resistance was back on March 18th. So we're approaching that huge level of resistance, guys. You guys know how important this level of resistance is. If you break out of here, we do have a little bit of resistance coming up around that $1.24, but, we need to break out of there. If we break out of there, guys, we are on our way to set ourselves a new yearly high, which is in the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. And I do believe out of all the coins in the cryptocurrency market, Polygon Matic is going to be the ones to hit the all-time highs the fastest. And if we bring out the measuring tool for you guys, we're only about 60% away from all-time highs. We've been consolidating very, very strongly around this range, built so much support for itself. It's holding really, really strong. To all the haters that are going to come saying Polygon Matic has not moved, this is absolutely ridiculous. That's the last thing I want to hear. To tell you guys that, Polygon Matic, despite the fact, last year, a lot of uncertainty, we had FTX crashing, entire markets crashing, a lot of projects hitting new lows. We never saw Matic hit its low. The low was last June, and it never got there, which was at 31 cents. So if we bring out the measuring tool for you guys, you are up almost 300% if you picked it up around there. So this should show the power of patience and the overall strength that this project has. And, I've shared on a continuous basis why I believe Polygon Matic is going to be here to stay. I believe it's going to fight to get to that third spot. Sandeep wants to get to that third spot, and he deserves to get to that zone. Obviously, that's going to be a massive, massive fight. There's other great projects out there that are going to be fighting as well. But, Polygon Matic has literally, when you speak about owning up to the word, owning up to what they say, this project has done that. Literally from the get-go, they have delivered what they promised to do so, and they're here to compete with the big boys, and the big companies around the world are, working with the Polygon Matic because they know what this project is doing and where they can take them. So I love what I'm seeing right now. Massive level of resistance really coming up, but once we really get out of that, guys, the target is the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, and from there on, things are about to get absolutely insane. But that is it for today's update. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Polygon Matic, and obviously we're going to take it one step at a time. Once we break out of the all-time highs, that's when the price discovery happens and things go absolutely insane. And double digits, I'm praying for a double digits Polygon Matic. Who knows? My buddy might cop me a Lamborghini, and who knows? Definitely a possibility. But anyways, with all seriousness, love you all. See you guys tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.